Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Dave Johnson. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Power Lead system. Now I've been hunting about for ages trying to find you guys the best system online today, and this is what I've come up with. It's the free system. There is an upgrade for $6 or $7, but it is a one-off payment, guys. But you can still use this system for free, which would be more profitable for you to use the system with the $6 or $7 upgrade, whichever it is. So the free system allows you to get leads, but the ones that you create, you only get half the leads, and the other leads go to somebody else. So that's why it's beneficial. If you upgrade just for $6 or $7, you get to keep all your leads, what you gain. So in this website, they've got it's a little bit messy, but you've got your home page, which we're on now. You've got your schedule for I do believe that's for Hangouts. They do a weekly hangout every week, and you can join them in that. And here we've got the replays from other hangouts that they've had in the past. Marketing, that's different paid methods, I do believe. So you can go and teaches you how to market with the paid methods. There's a whole load of video tutorials in system video. YouTube, there's absolutely tons of modules here for you to look at. This teaches you step by step, right from start to finish, how to create a YouTube channel, etc., etc. And it is really good training. There's a few more topics here, and again, some daily tips. That's a really good section, so I recommend you get on that. So this is a Power Lead system training. This is just the training site, guys. Get on this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up. More free stuff on its way. Take care, guys. Bye.